Well, after 4 years of trying, I finally got to add a North Carolina ASA state championship to my thing, my collection. Shooter was only me and another shooter. The weather didn't cooperate. I didn't shoot as good as I really would have liked, but I shot good enough to get it. And these are from previous years. That's Virginia and South Carolina. And from previous years, some other tags and some other things, and a couple of CCA buckles, and just some other stuff. And this one, and this one, I won with my Bodnik Mohawk, shooting both the recurve and the longbow limbs, different years. This one, my first one that I ever won, was with about a 1971 Bear Grizzly, and I was shooting wood arrows in the beginning, and I shot good enough with that and took it. Really enjoy archery. But anyway, thanks for watching.